I need it. Good energy.
Fully active.
Organize.
Again. So, as you can see, as you look on this car bonnet, you see that massive fish. That is a sea bass. So we're gonna grill that one today. And we have cassava, and we have plantain, and we have massive tomato, chili pepper, and we have parsley up there. So we're gonna go ahead, prepare this fish, stuff it with all type of stuff, and see how it come out. Let's do it. But before I start this video, we're gonna introduce my friend who vice here when we're doing the Filipino dish. Yeah, so that is my Filipino friend vice here on all of the video them. So now we're gonna start the video.
Right. Hello guys. Today it's raining, but rain won't stop us from doing grilled seabass today. We're gonna stuff that with all the aromatics, and we'll pair it with plantain and cassava, and you will see the result later.
So the sea bass is ready, wash, scale and everything. So we're just gonna leave it for a while and peel some plantain.
Right, we're gonna peel off the skin of the plantain, and we're gonna fry it and slightly mash it after.
So now we're gonna do the cassava, because plantain is already, so now it's cassava. So we're gonna boil the cassava and then fry it after.
You have to remove that vein in the middle. That thing, can't eat that stuff. The same on the other side. Take that off. Okay guys, we're gonna cut a little bit on each side of the fish. We're gonna score it so we can put all the seasoning, and it will absorb the seasoning that we're going to put on it, and it's easy to cook as well if we score the fish, and the steam can come out from there as well. Open that ready. Right. On the fish, we're gonna put a teaspoon of salt inside, butter, probably 200 grams of butter. I don't know how much it can fit in, but we'll try our best. We're gonna put some ginger, chili to make it nice and spicy, and we're gonna put some slice of lemon. We can only fit in how much we can. Parsley, we're just gonna shove that in as well.
We're gonna stuff it
Yep, stuff it nicely. Spring onion.
I don't think you can hold so much stuff.
Oh well, it doesn't matter if it's sticking out. It will still give some aromatics. I'm gonna put a bit more salt because it's only little that I put. Add a half teaspoon of salt on the top. Pepper. Just a teaspoon of pepper will do. And that's okay.
The butter is showing,
That's alright, it will melt anyway.
so we're gonna stuff it. You know, that's how we do fish. We stuff it.
Season it with, of course, lemon outside first. Some more lemon. Put a bit of salt. Only little. That's not gonna stay anyway. Once it's starting to cook, it will just vanish. Bit of pepper. You know, guys, it's raining, but we decided to grill a sea bass or barbecue a big sea bass for a change. Now we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna season the other side. Same, lemon again. A bit of salt. And a bit of pepper. And that's it. We'll leave it and we'll start preparing our grilled barbecue charcoal. And we'll let you know when we start doing it again.
So now we're gonna put the cassava to boil.
You just
So we decided we're gonna put a little chili on it, but not the hot one. So you can see in the belly of the fish right now. Spring onion pushing out. We cannot wait for it to go on the grill.
I'm gonna transfer that here. The feed will cough.
Yes. So the barbecue is on its way. The fire is ready. So just to get it up and running. Then we're gonna start barbecue the fish. And it's a rainy day, but the fish gotta be get eaten.
Our precious sea bass is. Oh, wow! It's massive.
So while the fish is barbecuing, roasting, we are preparing the tomato
Salad
to go with it. Cassava is boiling, so we're just gonna get it out now and fry it with the plantain.
Sure. Managed to retrieve it.
So sea bass is on his way. Yeah. Turn one side already. So this side is ready.
Yep. And I'm sure our neighbor is getting envy with the smells coming out of our grilled sea bass.
So while the sea bass is cooking or roasting, we're gonna fry
Our plantain and at the same time with our boiled cassava.
I have to stay here to get high on the fish. There's a cat around, and we don't want the cat to snatch the fish. We would be happy. So I have to stay here to watch the fish. And there's a massive cat around, a big cat. So now we are pressing the plantain. Normally you use a fork and press it, but my friend can use this
manually
finger and press it. It's very tough. So you just sprinkle some salt on it after, and then you put it back in the frying pan. Put it back for about
10 to 15 seconds each side.
couple seconds till it gets a little bit crispy, and then you take it out and it's ready to go.
And there's our lovely results. Our massive seabass grilled in the rain. We got some plantain, boiled and fried cassava with a bit of salad on the side. And enjoy, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to Mr. Bless Lifestyle. Thank you for watching.